Bert Alert update, whether you like it or not. Temperature is about, say, 31 degrees. It's Tuesday. You know what that means. We're going to get our snowstorm, finally. Well, things have really picked up out here. It's changed a lot in the last hour or so. Temperature's about the same. If you're driving right now, just get home safe, and be safe. Go hibernate. Bert Lauderdale here reporting, whether you like it or not, outside of Pfizer Forum, downtown Milwaukee. This is a Bert Alert update. Let's go Bucks.